Hello everyone, and welcome back to NSV English channel.
Hi friends, nice to see you here again.
My name is Emma.
And my name is David. We are very happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, welcome to our channel. NSV English channel helps you learn simple, real English with easy conversations.
Please click the subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell icon. Then you get a message when we post a new lesson.
Yes, it helps us a lot, and it helps you keep learning.
Emma, can I ask our viewers something?
Of course.
Viewers, do you ever feel shy when someone asks you, what is your daily routine?
Do you know some English words, but your mind becomes blank, empty, when you try to talk about your day?
That is me. When someone asks, what do you do in the morning? Sometimes my English goes on holiday.
If this happens to you, do not worry. Today's lesson is for you.
So, what are we going to do today, Emma?
Today, we are talking about your daily routine. We will speak a lot about the morning routine, from the moment you wake up until you start your day. This will help you talk about your own morning in simple English.
I like this topic. My morning is always a little crazy, so I need this lesson too.
You can speak with us. Listen, repeat, and think about your own routine. Ready?
I am ready. Viewers, are you ready? Let's start.
Let's imagine one normal workday. Not a holiday, not a weekend, just a normal day.
Okay, a normal day. I think I am already a little sleepy.
And we will focus on the morning. So, it is very early. It is 6:30 in the morning.
6:30 already? I want to sleep more.
Our alarm clock rings. Beep, beep, beep. What do you do first, David, when your alarm rings?
First, I am hit the snooze button.
You say, I hit the snooze button, not I am hit. We do not use am here.
Right? I hit the snooze button. Thank you. So yes, I hit snooze. I sleep for 5 more minutes.
I understand. Many people do that. I am different. When my alarm rings, I turn it off, and I sit up in bed.
You do not press snooze?
No, never. If I press snooze, I will sleep too long. So first I sit up, and I take a deep breath.
Then what do you do?
Then I stretch my arms and my back. It helps my body wake up. What about you, after you hit snooze?
After I hit snooze one time, I open my eyes slowly. I often pick up my phone and look at the time.
Do you also check messages in bed?
Yes, sometimes I check messages or the news in bed. It is a bad habit, I know.
Maybe, but many people do it. Viewers, what about you? Do you look at your phone first, or do you get up first?
After a few minutes, I sit up and put my feet on the floor. Now my day really starts.
Good. So now we both stand up. What is the first thing you do after you get out of bed?
The first thing I do is go to the bathroom. I really need to brush my teeth.
Me too. I walk to the bathroom and turn on the light.
Do you brush your teeth first or wash your face first?
I brush my teeth first. I take my toothbrush and put some toothpaste on it. Then I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes.
I do something a little different. First, I wash my face with cold water. It feels very fresh. Then I brush my teeth.
That sounds nice. After I brush my teeth, I wash my face with warm water and a little soap.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a quick shower in the morning. A warm shower helps me feel awake and clean.
I usually take my shower at night, before bed. In the morning, I only wash my face and brush my teeth. It saves time.
That is also a good idea. After my shower, I dry my hair with a towel and then I comb my hair.
I comb my hair too, but very fast. My hair is easy.
Now we are clean. What comes next in your morning routine?
Next, I go back to my bedroom to get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes in the morning or at night?
I choose in the morning. I open my cupboard and I look at my shirts. Sometimes I stand and think, blue shirt or white shirt? Which one? It takes some time.
I understand. I am more efficient. I choose my clothes at night.
Efficient means you use less time, right?
Yes, efficient means you do something in a good way, with no waste of time or energy. So at night, I put my clothes on a chair. In the morning, I just put them on.
That is smart. I should do that too. Sometimes I am slow in the morning.
So now we are dressed. Are you hungry in the morning, David?
Sometimes I am not hungry, but I always eat a little breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat 1 or 2 slices of toast with butter or jam. Sometimes I eat an egg. I always drink tea. What about you?
I love breakfast. I usually eat some fruit, like a banana or an apple, and a bowl of oatmeal. I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you make your coffee at home?
Yes, I make it at home. I put on the kettle. I wait for the hot water. And then I make my coffee. I like this quiet time.
Do you look at your phone during breakfast?
Sometimes I read the news on my phone while I drink my coffee, but I try not to look at it all the time. I try to enjoy my breakfast.
I understand. I sometimes watch a short video while I eat, but if I do that, I eat very slowly.
So we wake up, we wash, we get dressed, and we eat breakfast. This is the main part of the morning routine.
Yes, but we are not finished. After breakfast, we need to get ready to leave the house.
That is true. What do you do after you finish breakfast?
After breakfast, I always check the time. Then I pack my bag.
What do you put in your bag?
I put my wallet, my keys, my phone, and maybe a small snack. If I go to the office, I also put my laptop in my bag.
Good. I also prepare my bag. I check my keys, my phone, and my notebook. I do not want to forget anything.
Do you work from home? Or do you go to an office?
Let's imagine today I go to an office. So I need to leave the house.
Okay. How do you go to work?
I walk to the bus stop. It is a 5-minute walk from my house.
So your commute is short.
Yes, my commute is short. Commute means the regular trip from your home to your work or school. My commute is only about 20 minutes by bus.
My commute is longer. I take the train. First, I walk 10 minutes to the train station. Then I wait for the train.
What do you do while you wait for the train?
Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just look around. People are running, drinking coffee, looking at their phones. The city is waking up.
That is a nice picture. On the bus, I like to look out of the window. I see the same buildings every day, but the light is different.
Do you ever feel stressed in the morning?
If I am late, yes. But when I follow my routine, I feel calm. My routine helps me relax.
I feel the same. When I wake up on time, wash, eat, and leave at the right time, my whole day is better.
So viewers, you can see our morning routines are a little different, but they have the same steps. We wake up, we wash, we get dressed, we eat, and we go.
Yes, this is a good pattern. You can use these words to talk about your own day.
Later in the day, we work, we have lunch, we relax in the evening, and we go to bed. But today, we focus on the morning because it is the start of everything.
And if your morning is good, often your day is good too.
Exactly.
Oh, Emma, I want to say one more sentence. Tell me if it is correct. I am wake up at 7 every day.
Almost. We say, I wake up at 7 every day. Not, I am wake up. For habits, we use the simple form, I wake up.
I wake up at 7 every day. Okay, I will remember.
Good. Viewers, you can say it with us. I wake up at 7 every day.
Nice. Now our morning feels clear in English.
We used many useful English words today. Let's review some of them.
Good idea.
Our first word is routine.
Routine.
What does routine mean, David?
A routine is the usual things you do again and again, often every day, in the same order.
Good. For example, my morning routine is wake up, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast.
My evening routine is eat dinner, watch a little TV, and go to bed.
Viewers, repeat after me. My morning routine.
My morning routine.
Our next word is snooze button.
Snooze button.
What is the snooze button?
The snooze button is the button on your alarm clock or phone. When you press it, the alarm stops and rings again after a few minutes.
Right. For example, I always hit the snooze button one time.
I never hit the snooze button. I get up immediately.
Our third word is commute.
Commute.
What does commute mean?
Your commute is the regular trip from your home to your work or school.
Great. For example, my commute is 30 minutes by bus.
I have a long commute. I travel 1 hour every morning.
Our next word is efficient.
Efficient.
What does efficient mean, David?
Efficient means you do something in a good way. You do not waste time or energy.
Yes. For example, choosing your clothes at night is efficient. In the morning, you save time.
I want to be more efficient in the morning.
Our fifth word is relax.
Relax.
What does relax mean?
Relax means to rest, to be calm, to not work or worry.
Good. For example, I relax with a cup of tea after work.
I relax by listening to music.
Our next word is to get dressed.
To get dressed.
What does to get dressed mean?
To get dressed means to put on your clothes.
Yes. For example, I get dressed after I brush my teeth.
He gets dressed before breakfast.
Our next word is to wake up.
To wake up.
What does to wake up mean?
To wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Great. For example, I wake up at 6:30 on weekdays.
She wakes up late on Sundays.
Let's say all our words one more time.
Routine, snooze button, commute, efficient, relax, get dressed, wake up.
Very good. Viewers, you can pause the video and say them again if you like.
Today we talked about daily routine, especially the morning routine. We imagined one normal day and walked step by step from the alarm clock to going to work.
We practiced many simple sentences to talk about habits, like I wake up, I brush my teeth, and I eat breakfast. We used the present simple tense for these habits.
We also learned some useful words like routine, snooze button, commute, and relax.
I hope now you can describe your own morning in English. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need to communicate.
I feel ready to talk about my morning now, and I feel a little hungry again. I want more breakfast.
Every time you practice, your English becomes a little stronger. Be proud of yourself. You are doing something amazing. Now it is time for our question of the day.
I love this part. I am ready.
Today's question is very simple and very useful. What is one thing you always do in the morning and one thing you sometimes do in the morning?
Nice question.
You can use this pattern. In the morning, I always. In the morning, I sometimes.
I will answer first. In the morning, I always brush my teeth. In the morning, I sometimes eat an egg for breakfast.
Good. I will give my answer. In the morning, I always drink coffee. In the morning, I sometimes read the news on my phone.
Viewers, now it is your turn. Please write 1 or 2 simple sentences in the comments. You can write, in the morning, I always. In the morning, I sometimes.
We read your comments, and they help us make better videos for you. Do not worry about mistakes. Just try.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video.
And please subscribe to MZ English channel and click the bell icon so you do not miss our new lessons.
You can also share this video with your friends who are learning English. Then they can practice talking about their daily routine too.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing and keep being curious about English. We believe in you. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye, Emma.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone. Take care.